Next exercise 79. Anyway, start. We shall require consular invoices for the 4 cases of liquid glue and for the square bottles of hair restorer which we are to ship to Guatemala by the Valish Rose sailing next Friday. Full stop. Please ask Mr. Wheeler or Mr. Weldon to see to this. Full stop. Meanwhile, as we are the insurer, see to the policy as soon as possible. Full stop. If the Warfinger calls, I wish to see him as to the disposal of those bales from Bombay by Emperor now lying in the Empress Duck. Full stop. It is important to know whether it is possible or impossible to make delivery of these bales to Measure Ambrose and Kimber this week. Full stop. I am relying implicitly upon you to deal quickly with the mails for the Southampton boat tomorrow. Full stop.